card is this?
All right, guys, we're gonna see who's the best catch out of these seagulls. Here goes the first one. These guys must be lazy. He was brave enough to go and grab real close to me. There you go. Alright, so he catches one up in the air. No, I guess nobody. Let's see if this guy's brave enough to eat that one. Yep. Let's get a different view. People generally don't like seagulls. They're flipping out. All right, last one. All right, boys. That's it. Alright, so we're here at Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York. These are all public. This is all public housing. Probably a lot of these people live on Section 8 and rent stabilization. This one here, that building is like 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. The rents go up to about $3,000 a month, which is, I mean, pretty cheap for where you live in, right on the beach. You know. This is an old age community home, and then if you walk that way, you get to the Cyclone and all of that stuff. Like, there's the boardwalk. You can see it. That's a famous boardwalk. There you go. Yep. So right there on that boardwalk, you have a lot of good fishing there. Striped bass, fluke, bluefish, snapper, porgies, you name it. Sharks. I mean, people catch all kinds of fish on that pier. And when I was a kid, see how the sand comes all the way to the top? This was like deeper. They filled this all in. This is all like tons and tons of sand, because you can see the horizon that goes over the grass. Well, so for instance, if you look there, that would have been like 10 feet down at one point. And they filled this all in because the tide would flood sometimes Coney Island. So I guess they filled this all in so the tide wouldn't flood anymore. Yep, this is Coney Island. I don't know if these are original water troughs, but this is all, this is brass or copper. Everybody down here is technically on housing assistance. All these houses are all public housing. I don't want to say who lives in here. I don't want to be I don't want to be called names. But yeah, this is Coney Island. I mean, I guess now you could go fish in the water. You can go like surf fishing, you know, if you don't want to fish off the pier down there. But Coney Island's pretty cool. Look at the size of this boardwalk. In the summertime, you can't move. It's almost like 24/7 packed with people. I mean, they redid this boardwalk too. This is all new. You know, the screws, you can see like they pop out. So I guess somebody has to continually come around and screw these back in. But a lot of these wooden boards now are being replaced by that Trek stuff. So now when you walk on the boardwalk, it's a lot hotter because those plastic Treks get really hot. Let's go take a walk over here, see what's going on. You know, people walk their dogs here and whatnot. But you can walk all the way down the Seagate. That's a private community for a certain group of people. But they probably live there. Who knows, you know, what deal they got going on. So like the sand, I guess, gets blown up on here. And then grass grows. And the grass keeps the sand from blowing around. That's why they put, they plant grass. But it's pretty nice. I mean, this, like, if you take this boardwalk, I think it takes you all the way down Brighton Beach and all the way down to the New York Aquarium. And this is Coney Island. This beach is gigantic. I mean, it goes all the way down. All the way. I mean, if you could see how far, you know, it goes way out. And then there's a wall down there and it ends. And then there's a private community. And they got their own beach. You know? For a certain protected group of people. So I think that's Jersey over there.